Morning, guys. Day number 2, just to give you an idea of what goes on here in the morning. I don't want to be waving my camera all in people's faces, but you can see the number of people that are in line and showing up for food and help every single day. It's amazing. Welcome inside for day 5 of restoration. This is day 2 on this trip, and for today the goal is to get this all cut in. Got some massive pictures to try to get down here, and I'm going to take a picture of this so I get this stuff back in the right place over here. It's one of the things about the Catholic Church is tons of stuff you got to work around, but it's meaningful. I think that's St. Michael the Archangel kicking the devil out of heaven. Nice job. So that was quite good yesterday, that work. So this is going to be, I always try to start my day by picking the most difficult part of the job, and obviously this area up here. So I'm probably going to end up painting and rolling this whole thing, particular area, so I don't have to come up here again, because Ascension Thursday is coming. I don't know. I'm going to play it by ear today. It's going to be another hot one, but we will muddle through. I don't know what's going on with this thing. You know, I've tried 100 ways to get this thing off the wall, so I don't know. And if I pull that off, it's gonna be a big problema, man. I'll never get that level up again, so I'm gonna have to turn it and paint around it. It's the only thing I know to do. That is it. So this is where I want to begin today, with the cutting in up here. I got that all cut in over there. Thank goodness I didn't bust anything up, so that's ready to be rolled. I figured I better just finish the sanctuary because, well, Father comes in and prays in the afternoon, and I would probably collide with him up here doing that, even though he said, oh, don't worry about it, do. So I decided I'm just going to do the sanctuary part in one big sweep here. So I'm working up here, of course, disassembling as usual statuary, and praying I don't break any of these very delicate pieces. Whew. Plus we have, well, of course, more boxes, more stuff. So I'm going to push all this forward and then push it back and hope I can get it all fit in here again. Whew. Holy smokes. How's your Latin? Look at these cool pop-up books here. It's really old school. We've lost so much of our teaching ability these days. Really, I think who really knows their faith these days? I mean, really knows it. I sure didn't. But this is really cool. I look at the back. It's when everything used to be printed in Hong Kong there. 1964. Man, that is old school there. I've finished cutting in over here down to floor level for the sanctuary part. Haven't busted anything yet. Thank goodness. So that's all cut in with the boxes of joy and everything. That's ready to go. I managed to get the big picture down, and this side has all been cut in. So I want to just roll this to get this stuff back in the sanctuary, so they can still have Mass. Thursday's the Feast of Ascension, so there's going to be 3 Masses. So You know, I really have to try to get this wrapped up as much as possible, certainly by tomorrow. So the push is on. Well, the good news, guys, is I'm all done with the sanctuary area. Bad news is I got to fit this jigsaw puzzle back together again somehow. Definitely by the end of today. Looks pretty good though. So now I'm working to finish cutting in the ceiling. Don't have that much more to go. I'll get that big picture down too. So I gotta fly. I might be working late. I've done about 2/3 of the cutting in it needs to be done on this side. You can start to see better the color offset on the wood trim. So I'm gonna go take a break. It's about 2:30, and then I'm gonna try to reassemble this jigsaw puzzle. Oh, wish me luck. And then with what time's remaining, finish doing the cutting in, and tomorrow should just be the vestibule area, and that back, that's all done over there. So this is all rolled up front. I think it's looking pretty good. See you guys in a bit. Here we are, everybody. It's time. Everything's nice and dry now. I'm gonna just do things in reverse order. There's going to be a mass here at 6 o'clock, so, and then Father comes in for prayer at 5. I can continue work when he's praying, but I think it's important now to get this put back together up here. Okay, so I'm going to start at this side. You can see the paint's all dried. I can see one spot I need to touch up, and I will do that little touch up tomorrow. Let me tell you guys, I'm renowned for my butter thinkers. You don't think I was sweating bullets putting this thing up. This thing is probably so old, and I'm thinking, oh yeah, just, you know, this thing weighs like 50 pounds in this two-piece, and I'm like, oh, wow, woo. Well, guys, it's time to wrap up day 6. I didn't know Thursday was going to be Ascension Thursday, so there's going to be like, I really got to try to finish this thing up tomorrow. But there's always activities and stuff going on, but a very good day. I'm really happy to have cleared the sanctuary area, and I don't have to worry about spilling paint on that plush purple carpet. All I could imagine was Holy smokes, is that going to be problematic? Anyway, thanks for being here. Thanks for being along. Thanks to those of you who have been very supportive. It's very quiet today. It's very humid here. It's about 97 degrees, so people are kind of a little bit lethargic. It's very cloudy. I thought we were going to have a terrific storm today, but it kind of blew over. So thanks, everybody, and I shall see you, well, you'll see this. You've already seen me in the evening. So thanks so much, guys, and stay tuned. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Always good stuff.